A windy day. A windy day. Look, it is so windy outside. Let's see. Look, it is windy. Oh, do you guys see the blankets moving? It's windy. Today is windy. I see a red leaf. Look at the red leaf right here, my friends. Today is windy. I see a big kite. Look at the kite, my friends. It's different colors and it's all the way up in the air. Today is windy. I see long hair. Today is windy. I see small seeds. Look at the seeds, my friends, inside the leaf, inside the lily. Today is windy. I see a large flag. Look around. What can you see on a windy day? What can you look around? What can you see on a windy day? Let's see. The end. So on the windy day, the key words are we can see a flag, we can see hair moving, right, because of the wind. We can see a kite flying in the air because of the wind. We can see leaves and we can see seeds. The end.